Dear students, today we will discuss the one of the most fundamental concept of algebra, named as a function theory. I can say function theory is the tool of the modern algebra. Is what is function? How can we define? How many types of the function and pictographic notation? It is just a relation of two between two sets, non-white sets. So let us consider that A and B are two non-white sets. Then we define a rule from A to B, which assigns that every element of the set A has unique element in the set B. This rule from the set A to another set B is said to be function from A to B. Symbolically, we write f such that A to B. Set A is called domain of the function and set B is called codomain of the function. Now, what is range? Because it plays a great role in modern algebra. So, range of the function is nothing more than a set of images of the elements A. सेट ए के एलिमेंट्स के सभी एलिमेंट्स की इमेजेज का जो सेट बनता है उसे हम कहते हैं रेंज ऑफ द फंक्शन बी. When function is on to, then range of the function is just equal to codomain. Now, pictographic notation can be defined like this: y is equal to fx. Then we make a circle type to diagrams and set A contains x1, x2. Then f is a function from set A to B. X image of x under f can be written f of x. x2 image of x2 under function is equal to f of x2. So this is a pictographic notation of the function. X or x2 are domain elements and f of x and f of x2 are the codomain elements. Now, kinds of the function. We can categorize the function in following way. Onto function, it is also called surjective function or surjective map. Into function, many one function, one function. This one function is also called injective map or injective function. Now these are the pictographic notation by which we can understand easily the kind of function. First function, it is a function f1 from A to B, correct? Now, in definition, every element of the set A has unique element in the set B, but you find that C of A is not associated with some one element of the B. So, it contradicts, it opposes the definition of the function. Hence, we can claim that it is not a function. Now, second F2. The set A contains ABC, set B contains ABC. Now, image of A is equal to A. B mapped C mapped over B. Now, one element is not free. So F2J function, every element of the set A has only one element in the set B. So it is a no element is free. So it is a codomain. Domain means set containing ABC, left side. So it is a function is onto also because range of the function is just equal to codomain. Now in next pictography representation F3 from A to B, set A contains 1, 2, 3. It means these are the domain elements. A, B, C, D are the codomain. That is B's elements. 1 is mapped over A, similarly 2 over B, and similarly 3 over C. D is free. Now F3 is function. The definition of the function fulfill here. But D is free in the set B, so it is a not on to function. It is a into function. Now one element mapped over one, so it is a 1 into map. It is a kind of 1 into map. Now in fourth ABCD set contains set A contains ABCD elements, set B contains A dash B dash C element. Definition of the function fulfill. So it is a and no element is free in the set B, so it is a onto. Now here A and C are mapped over A dash. So more than one element from the domain are mapped over the single element of the codomain. So more than one element is mapped over single element, so it is a many one function. So it is a many one onto function. Similarly, next you can say it is many, it is one into mapping, because every element of the domain has unique element in the codomain but is free, so you can say it is a 1 into mapping. So you can you can understand the classification of the mapping, which is very important to understand the further theorems of the abstract algebra. Thank you.